What's going on, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to the McGregor Garage channel. Today we are working on the track car, the R53 Mini Cooper. We are installing my first sponsor, and I'm now a dealer for Yellow Speed Racing. They set this set of competition coilovers, so we're gonna throw these on. The stock suspension is completely shot on this thing, so much so that it's becoming a problem on track. So it is time to start getting something new, stick to the track, and let's get started. All right, so we got it up in the air, got the wheels off of it. We're gonna need three things for the front. We got a 13mm socket, a 14, and an 18. 13 is gonna be these three top bolts up here. We got a 14 over here, and the 18 down at the bottom behind over here. And that should be it for what it looks like. Then we just have to keep all these lines out of the way, pull this one out, put the new one right in. Out with the Bilstein, in with the Yellow Speed. All right. Simple as that. Out with the old, in with the new. There we go. Lined up.
You want to tell us what went wrong?
Nope. Little axle issue here, no big deal. Who uses instructions, right?
That sounds like you might need them.
No. Just double checking my work, man. Come on.
Nice.
This one really doesn't work out. Yeah. Ah. All right. Like, where does the glove go? See, theirs doesn't go all the way down to the hole like that. It just goes to that ledge, which is actually nice. All right, so the front was a little more of a struggle than we thought. Lost the gloves, had to work out some seized parts, but we're good, so we're to the back. We need a 13 and 21. Two 13s up top, one here, and the 21 at the bottom here. There's a rubber cover that goes over this one too, so just look out for that. Other than that, I think we're gonna have to swap these plates over. I'll show you what I mean once we get these out. I don't fully know what to do here. Huh. YouTube's not helping me. It's not fun.
Not fit, just like the other side it is. Just next we're gonna stand the brake and everything up.
My wife will kill me for that.
Jack, so it actually pushed.
Right, so we've transferred over the top hat here. Looks like this part faces out, the slanted part. I don't have a bushing here. Mine was fully disintegrated, so we're gonna come back later and replace that because that should sit like that, but we don't have that for now. So we're gonna throw it in. Might ride, not ideal, but it'll be fine. Everything's fine.
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently. That's okay. Things are gonna be okay.
Okay, it wasn't that bad. They look like they're pretty even. All right, so that went a little bit rougher than we thought it would, mainly just because it's an older car, so getting some of these parts off was not great. Seized stuff happens on 20-year-old vehicles. But we got everything installed, everything was good to go. The only thing I wish we knew was switching over the top hats from the old set, the old shocks. But all we have left to do now, get those bushings for the back, and we're gonna torque everything down. So just come along with us and we'll show you what the torque spec is for each bolt. All right, so for the top, we got 34, 64 over here, and 81 at the one all the way down. Where'd it go? Over here. Okay. And the back ones, 56 Newton meters up here for these two, and 125 Newton meters for this one at the bottom here. 58, close enough. $125 on the money. Just smacked it in the scallop. I like it. Hell yeah. A little bit of camber, we gotta take care of that. We don't do camber around here. We don't know camber boys. Gotta fix that. But it looks mean. Tonight. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright, so post-test run, it ran good, no funky noises, which is always a good sign. It felt tight, but a little bit bouncy around the corners and some hard bumps around here. Just some final adjustments we should need to make. I need to drop the front a little bit. You can see we got a couple fingers gap there as opposed to none in the back. And I kind of like it the opposite on this car. But other than that, felt good. I mean, these things are solid, not a hard install, everything fit how it should. The only hard part was getting the old stuff off of here. So, I mean, I think it went great. Let me know if you guys want a set. I am now officially a dealer for these guys, for Yellow Speed Racing. I'm gonna be throwing a logo on the car soon, and next up is a couple little things and get it on track. Brakes should be next, so we'll see you guys soon.